Smart Film is an innovative window treatment that instantly transforms ordinary glass into smart, switchable glass. Installing Smart Film is easy if you follow the instructions and avoid making common mistakes. Watch this video now to see step-by-step Smart Film installation. Step 1. Cleaning the installation environment. Did you know that 80% of Smart Film installation mistakes are due to improper cleaning? Ideally, the installation area should be vacuumed to ensure there is no debris that can stick to the film because it is very static and will attract dust. Step 2. Unpacking and testing the Smart Film. Remove the tape, unpack the film, and carefully lay the Smart Film pieces flat with the self-adhesive layer facing up. Next, test panels by connecting them to a controller to ensure they are in working condition. Step 3. Double check the sizes. Ensure that the Smart Film pieces are the correct size by measuring the glass and film. If the film needs to be trimmed, do so with a pair of tailor's scissors or blade prior to installation. Step 4. Clean the glass and film. The glass must be extremely clean before you apply the film. This goes beyond simply wiping the glass. Clean the glass with alcohol and a lint-free cloth in good lighting to ensure all dust and streaks are removed. Run a blade across the glass to remove any debris. Inspect the glass thoroughly to make sure it is perfectly clean. Next, clean the self-adhesive side of the film to avoid transferring dust from the film to the glass. Step 5. Removing the protective liner and taping the edges. Tape the corners of the protective liner at the top so you can easily pull the liner down throughout installation. Now, peel back the first 2 inches of the piece of the film and secure it with a piece of tape so that the protective liner will not stick to the film. Step 6. Carrying Smart Film. Never bend or fold Smart Film. For best results, 2 people should be carrying the film to prevent damage. The film can be carried in a U shape, never bent into a V shape, and it can also be carried by one edge. Step 7. Applying the Smart Film to the glass. Fit the film to the top of the glass area and then align the bottom and sides so all the corners and edges are properly aligned. Stick the first 2 inches of the film to the glass and confirm once more that the film is properly aligned. If not, peel it off and realign. Once you have attached the top 2 inches, the rest is very easy. As you can see, we're pulling on the tape ends to peel off the protective liner. Ideally, you should not peel off more than 6 to 8 inches. If you do more, the film will adhere to the surface of the glass under its own pressure and most likely will create bubbles. Never go too fast or apply too much of the film at once. Use a squeegee to make sure there are no air bubbles. Adhere the film 2 inches at a time and watch for bubbles. If bubbles do form, there may be dust under the film. If this is the case, mark the area, peel back the film, and remove the dust with sticky tape. Check the glass as well to make sure it is clean, and then reapply the film and continue with the installation. Repeat this process until all the film pieces have been installed. Step 8. Wiring the Smart Film. Now that the film has successfully been applied to the glass, it just needs to be wired. Both Smart Film and Smart Glass have 2 wires that get connected to a controller. And because it works on AC, there is no positive or negative, which makes it even simpler. Now it is time to test the film to ensure that it works following installation. Hide the wires for a clean look. For details on how to conceal the wires and other wiring solutions, please watch our video, How to Wire Smart Glass and Film, Smart Glass 101. Step 9. Sealing the edges with silicone. Use a neutral cure silicone to protect the edges of smart film from moisture and damage. An acid-based silicone will corrode the film. How can you tell if you're using the wrong silicone? Smell it. If it smells like vinegar, it's the wrong type. Apply the silicone and remove any excess. Peel the protective liner away from the edges or completely remove it before the silicone dries. If you remove it after the silicone is dry, you can break the seal that prevents the moisture from penetrating. Step 10. Enjoy your privacy on demand. Now that the film has been installed and wired, you can switch the glass from clear to frosted whenever privacy is desired. Switchable glass products instantly modernize any space. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please contact us.